Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have your set: a pad of sticky notes, a quick dry pen, and a clean surface. Start by deciding purpose and color so each note has meaning. Once chosen, write a single clear action or reminder in 5-8 words, no extras. Press the adhesive edge against the pad and tier straight down to avoid curling. Make sure to keep the first note at eye level so the system begins working immediately and you can keep momentum. Now organize. Place each note where you'll see it when you need it. Stick sequential tasks along a visual path, left to right or top to bottom, so the order is obvious at a glance. Once done, add numbers or arrows to connect dependent steps. This reduces decision friction. Make sure to leave room to add one follow-up note beneath the current task. When a task is done, remove or relocate the note to a completed area to track progress. Finish by clearing completed notes into an archive area so your active space stays clean and focused. Once a day, review archived notes and transcribe any recurring items into a permanent list. Make sure to photograph critical groupings if you want a time-stamped record. If a note falls or loses stick, press the adhesive edge onto a clean surface to recharge. If that fails, replace with a fresh note and transfer the content immediately to avoid loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.